Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this eye look. I created it today, and I wanted to get it up as soon as possible, which is today as well. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first going to prime my eyelids. I'm always using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. And to apply this, I'm taking the P84 brush from Sigma Beauty. I'm just gonna apply the product all over the eyelid. What this is gonna do, it's gonna remove the redness from the eyelid. It's gonna make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day. And it's gonna leave us with just a really nice blank canvas for our eyeshadows. Now today's eye look is kind of inspired by the trend which is going on right now, where you have kind of a harsh line in your crease. Not sure what this style of eye look is called, but it's kind of like graphic liner, I don't know. If you know the name, definitely let me know. So I'm gonna play with this palette from Natasha Denona, which I think I received a year ago. Well, not a year ago, but I think around Valentine's Day. This is the Love palette. So I haven't used it on my channel yet, so I wanted to use it today, and I'm starting with mixing two colors. I'm using my Sigma Beauty E40 brush, which is included in my Sigma brush set, which I have linked down in the description bar. But I do have to say, my brush kit, which I created with them, is currently out of stock, which is kind of amazing, because I just want to give you all a big thank you for purchasing the product. For those who did, I really appreciate it, and I hope that those who purchased my brush kit are really enjoying using them. And yeah, it just makes me really happy that there are people that are playing with the brushes right now. But it's gonna be back in stock, and I will definitely let you guys know once it's back. In the meanwhile, I do have a discount code which you can use on Sigma Beauty, their website, which will give you a discount on everything. So I'm just gonna continue blending the shade all over in the crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I just added more of the eyeshadow color to really build it up. This is a really beautiful soft pink color. Of course, I mixed two shades together, but the combination is really pretty. Then I'm gonna take a tiny pencil brush with this reddish coral shade, and I started applying it in the inner corner, and I already noticed, okay, this brush is not gonna work. So I switched to a brush from Suifa. I'm not sure what the number is, but I think it's a 238. It's like a really tiny, precise brush. I think it's the tiniest brush they have. And I started using this to create that graphic line in the crease area. After creating the line in my crease, I went in with this silvery color using a flat shading brush. I did make the brush wet to kind of give it more of a metallic finish, and I started applying this color all over my eyelid. Now what you can see me doing is that I'm also dragging the eyeshadow a little bit further, kind of following the winged line of the graphic liner I created, to kind of just create a winged shape of the eye. I don't really know how to explain this in English, but I hope just by seeing me doing it, it kind of makes sense. I just wanted to create that winged outer end effect. Then I'm taking this glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I always apply it on the back of my hand, and then I use a flat brush and I apply it on top of the eyelid to kind of make it sticky and ready for the glitter. And then now I'm gonna use this glitter, which is from MAC Cosmetics. It's in the color Reflects Pearl. I also uploaded a video using the same glitter in one of my previous videos, which is one of my favorite looks ever. I will make sure to link it down in the description bar. But right now I'm using it on top of the silver eyeshadow to make it a bit more sparkly. I feel like on camera you cannot really see it as how it looked in real life. I feel like in real life it's more sparkly. But definitely use a similar base underneath glitter to make it look better, because when you use glitter you definitely want to use like a shimmery shade underneath, because else the glitter will always look kind of patchy and not looking good. And when you use a metallic eyeshadow underneath, it's kind of going to fade into each other, which is gonna make it look really good. So I'm just applying the glitter all over where I applied the silver eyeshadow, and also dragging it where I created that winged end to make sure that everything is covered up. Then now going back in with this reddish color and that same brush from Suifa, and I'm going to create a line from the outer end of the winged liner. How do you say that in English? The outer end of the lash line toward the tail of the crease line. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. So I'm trying to connect those lines together, which will leave us with that winged effect. And then after creating that line, I'm going in with this concealer from Tarte Cosmetics, which is the Shape Tape Concealer, my absolute favorite. I've been using it for years and I just can't seem to find another concealer which I like more. I feel like this is just my ride or die forever. Now I do want to try the Too Faced concealer, which a lot of people are using. I'm not sure what the name is, but I see a lot of people using it and really liking it. So maybe I will give that one a go. But so far, every concealer I have purchased, I just ended up still liking the Tarte one more. So I've kind of came to a point where I'm like, I don't even want to spend any more money on concealer because I already know that the Tarte one is my favorite. But let me know if you have tried the Too Faced one and if you would recommend it. So now I'm taking a flat definer brush and using that same red color underneath the lower lash line, just sweeping my brush back and forward and also connecting it with the red pencil which we use to create that wing line. And then after using the flat definer brush, I went in with a tiny pencil brush from Morphe brushes and blending my brush back and forth to make everything look more soft. Then now for the next step, I'm taking this pencil from Charlotte Tilbury and I'm gonna use the reddish orangey color. I didn't want it to go for like a straight up red color in a waterline because I felt like that's probably gonna make it look like my eyes are watery and like I'm crying. So I just went for this warm reddish orangey color, which looks a lot more natural, and this color will also make my eye color stand out more, which is of course really nice. Now I'm gonna curl the lashes. I'm trying to really push up my lashes upwards. And then now I'm gonna take my favorite mascara, which is this one by Givenchy. The packaging is absolutely beautiful and this mascara has been my favorite the last couple of months. My upper lashes are just a mess. They're really short. No mascara will ever make them look good except for this one. I absolutely love it. Also started using a lash how do you say it? A lash grower? Like a serum that you can use for your lashes to make them look longer. So I'm currently using that as well. Haven't seen any difference yet, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. And also, to be honest, sometimes I forget to use it. So sometimes there are like days that I skip because I forget it. So I think I really have to remind myself to keep doing it in order to see results. But I will see and I will let you guys know. So now I applied my lashes off camera. The lash glue that I always use is by House of Lashes, and I try to press the lashes as tight as possible against my own natural lashes, and then I went in with the tweezer and trying to kind of press my natural lashes against the fake lashes. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed. I was kind of insecure before uploading this video because I wasn't sure if you guys are gonna like it, since it's kind of like a different kind of look. So yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed, and for my next video maybe I will do something a little bit more wearable. But yeah, just let me know in the comments what you want to see and maybe I can do that. And of course, I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully until next time. Bye bye!